This series clearly alternates, so we'll apply the alternating series test. Let's check the two conditions. Eventually, at some point and forevermore after that, will the terms always be smaller than or equal to the previous terms? So this is a sub n plus 1, and this is a sub n. Let's check to see if we can prove that this is true. Let's begin with that step, then let's square both sides. So we get down to here, and since n values are 1 and bigger, this is always true. So that condition is met. Alright, then the other condition. Do the terms tend towards 0? Yes, they do. So by the alternating series test, our series converges.